Hi, I'm Sansan, and I feature agents and ask them random questions about their industry. Welcome
Welcome
to
to
Agente
Agente Serie!
Serie! So, we have a very special guest today, and he is one of the people who I can see a great potential to succeed in the real estate industry. Welcome to Agente Serie, Boss Jake Beniga! You've seen him in one of the events in Filipino homes, and let's get to know him more today. And what kind of value does he present to the industry? Whoa! Hi, Boss Jake.
Hello, thanks for having me. Thanks for your time, boss.
I really admire you because I have seen your talent in some of the events and some of the parties. So, boss, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hello mga boss, welcome to Agente Serie! Woo!
Woo!
Thanks for having me, Boss Rose Ann, the ever beautiful, wonderful, ever Belena. Wow, nag-plug. Team Guaps. Hello, Team
Yes,
Guaps.
congrats!
Congratulations on being one of the top sub-teams, of course, sa inyong kinakusgan nga UM. So, my name is Jake Benigay. I am one of the secretaries of Boss LD of Team X Factor under Team Beautiful Properties.
Beautiful
Shout out Team Beautiful
properties.
Properties. I graduated AB Psychology in Cebu Doctors
Ooh,
University. And I've
wow.
been to various jobs, various adventures, so to speak. So, thankful rajud ko nga right here in this industry nga si Boss Elds, akong brother, he was kanang inviting me sa una pa jud right after I graduated. Bago ra jud ko diri mga boss sa real estate industry. And wow, it's been so wonderful. It's been so overwhelming pod. Being a teacher was my first job yun mga boss. So it was kanang fulfilling pod nga we were the pioneering teachers of the senior high school like department kay bago pa man ang K-12
Oh.
ato
Mm.
boss. After that one, nag-ESL ko like for from home ESL.
Mm.
I joined Gyud like officially 2023 right after I resigned from Upslide Dumaguete. So anas boss LD nga. Ari na diri. Namugos na gyud siya ba? Ari na
Uh,
diri. Ana siya nga to start secretaries aka nako ha.
uh,
Ana siya para you get to know the flow,
mm,
the in and outs of an agent,
mm-mm.
ana and use your marketing skills.
Yeah.
I try to be always be present and
Event.
sa events
Mm.
and then be as active as possible.
Psychology graduate, ha? Did you know that real estate is not a selling business? It is a people and relationship business.
Business.
And since
Yes.
you're into psychology, I think you can really use that because in that way, you know how to handle different types of behavior. And I think if you have a potential to be a really good leader in this industry. We even have a training a basic about psychology, how to handle people, different types of personalities.
Yep.
Because with that, you can use that as an advantage to understand the behavior of the people that you are dealing with.
Yes.
Right? So with your skills in people pleasing, with your skills, boss, you can really maximize that talent and potential. So I'm really excited for you, boss. I'm rooting for you. Or when you join the real estate industry, boss, what are the top three favorite things that you've experienced in this industry?
Doing the business anytime, anywhere.
So very flexible.
Very flexible mo na siya ang third. Second is adding knowledge or information gathering, adding to like every day is a constant learning. Some clients mo ask nga, how long na day ka diri boss? Bago pa ko boss, 1 year. Oy, dugi naman na. No, okay, every day is a new learning. Yun.
Yes.
It's a constant learning every day because it's constantly improving,
Yes.
constantly changing, and you know the cliche quote unquote nga the most constant thing in this world is change man gyud.
True.
So
True.
we adapt to the change. So
True.
adaptability gyud nga. Ana, e-signatures is very convenient for our
Yes.
clients in abroad nga electronic signature ana video
Paperless,
call
right?
paperless kay di na
Paperless, digital.
The number one best thing good here in our industry is getting to know different personalities, as what you've said, boss.
Yeah.
Client wise and like agent wise, business partners, good. Yeah. From old to new business partners, like so different personalities, and then also adapting to it. So we adapt to the technology as much as we adapt to different personalities. And then these things, these small things, like as much as we call it basics, diri man good mag diri man good ang foundation for everything,
Yeah.
like the adaptability to technology and to other people, to clients most especially, to information gathering, to being patient kung kanus amo down si client or even kanus amo reply si broker coordinator sa developer nga boss na apo ni nga promo. Okay. It's the very like the icing to the cake yun nga, let's say the ingredient
Mhm.
nga very good ang foundation to the business, to the real estate business.
So, how can you compare the real estate industry to the other industries that you've been to?
It's really different when I was in a like four walled corners of the office
Mhm.
and even in the classroom. It's very different. The different thing is you get to explore yourself better. Right now, let's say ako ramang yun no my wife is not yet here. Um I get to know uh, asa jud ko sa gid ako ang unsaon ako pag-adjust to the client and to the business partner
Mhm.
the same. So it's more about exploring myself more, no, nga every day is a new learning. Uy, dapat di ngani ko sakto ra ba to akong the questions in mind are like sakto ra ba to ko itubag o sa ko itubag ani, like all of us are the same here, UMs and TL, no, mga me being a new agent really needs to adjust to them. But the adjusting part is not the exploring part. There's a thin line in between nga
Mhm.
kanang kaila baga ko sa kong kaugalingon no nga para ra bagid ko. Until now mga boss, if you like come up at this part of the video nga kanang para sa ako abagyod ang real estate. Nana ko'y dagang king kwarta, the same as wa pa ko'y kwarta.
Yeah.
Nana ko'y dagang halin, the same as wa na ko'y halin. Sa naman ay dagang kwarta, are you really willing to risk your time for after 5 years after the bank loan has been approved or
Mhm.
even na turnover na ang condo or ang house and lot? Nga na ba? How far can you go?
You mentioned earlier exploring yourself more. What are the things that you have learned about yourself and the things that you have improved about yourself by joining in this industry?
One thing that I learned from myself is really to be present and to engage in any PKS, in any social gathering because it really matters. Siguro, dili mashy when it comes to like PMing people or
Mm.
talking to people, even cold market.
Mm.
So cold market, mga boss, dili na to kaila.
Oh.
No, kaya, uy, doctor niya siya, pero wala gid may mutual.
Oh.
Atong i-add, hi doc, are you interested? Nga na ba?
Oh.
So war market mga boss kaila ra na kaila ra gid na nato. So and then how do you like, it's easy to be physically present but how are you present in terms of like interaction, like interpersonal relationship and
Mhm.
intrapersonal relationship.
Yeah.
So it's between you and the world. Kalawang na ba?
So you have the talents and skills. You can talk to people. You learn that you're very good at
Very good.
interpersonal and intrapersonal skills. Not a lot of people are born with such talent. So I hope that you can use your talents and skills to really add value to the people, and in return, they can also add value to your life by achieving your goals and dreams
Yes.
in life. What are the challenges that you've encountered so far?
The very first challenge I could think of is to be consistent.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kana jud siya siguro kanang consistency is key gyud, one of the keys here in the business nga.
Consistency in terms of what?
In terms of very basic replying to inquiries. Kana lang sa gyud.
Client inquiries.
Client inquiries. Kana lang sa gyud. And then posting. Posting gyud. Not posting 3 times a day, bisa even once siguro. Like once or ko mag-post and then Okay, ana ba? So, diha pud ko naka-question nganong lisod man nga copy paste ni, ana ba? But I'm trying to overcome that one. Not
Mhm.
yet, but I'm trying to overcome. Another challenge that I have kanang na-overcome nako is I think being present and being
Mm.
saying yes to everything. Saying yes here, saying yes sa hosting, saying yes nga if kaya sa schedule, as long as kaya lang sa time mo, say
Mhm.
yes jud ko. Siguro kana ra gyud akong na-overcome nga dili ko magtinapulan per
Mhm.
se nga physically I want to be present, I want to entertain clients siguro in relation to that basin di ay nga inig-adto nako na ay mga clients ba
Oh.
mga ma-meet na to along the way.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be present, trying to say yes in every real estate case. It's very important. Good free snacks and free coffee
Yes.
pa.
In a short span of time, being in this industry, daga na kay kag na-achieve. I've seen you in multiple events, and sometimes we think of achievements as those big things. Like the achievements, especially right now in this generation, it's really more of kanang improving your skills,
Mm.
adding value to yourself
Yep.
and to others. Those are the achievements that I really admire because those are things that you can really carry on, and those are the building blocks of your success.
Later on, marami tawag ka ng work in silence and let success make the noise.
And do you think real estate can really help you with that?
Of course, no, without a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
The goal is to help the team achieve to help siguro any team but most especially beautiful properties. Let's
Grabe
go
tayo.
Team X Factor.
Grabe.
Selfless act siya nga
Oh.
makahelp but I believe ba nga in return dako
Mm.
po dog kanang ihatag na to ang grasya nila para in return oy doble ng grasya na to ha
Oh.
ana ba nga it's a matter of being selfless, it's a
Mm-hmm.
matter of being generous sa time, generous sa effort nga
Yeah.
ing ani it's a fulfilling job kay it's always to lend a hand
Uh,
no nga the least thing that I could do is to be a listening ear to someone sige na ko
mm.
kaila na boss ako'y problema saan problema basta di lang kwarta.
Mga boss ko na may problema na dito guidance counselor sa team. O anila mo din. So okay gyud kayo. Na-apply jud nimo imong interpersonal and extrapersonal skills, diba? So may gyud kay na nimo na
In
key factor to leadership.
thanks boss in connection syempre sa in every business po
Mm.
especially in real estate we are results based gyud nga
Yes.
kanang ato ang vision for this financial year ma-achieve ba nato but just like what you said boss we are not cost based
Yeah.
no we serve without a cost but we serve with a cause
True.
so
I love that.
kana lang results based man ta kanang ma-apply tag smart kanang specific measurable
Uh,
attainable kanang mga ana ba but in reality what matters most is the relationship that we build
mm-hmm.
even after we receive our commissions ing
Yeah.
ana bitaw
Yeah.
kay word of mouth basic kini siya mga boss basic kini siya nga
Mm-hmm.
bisag kinsa
Mm-hmm.
same pod sa business nga dili ka magpahakog or dili ka magpa-selfish like
Mm.
it's a better way of kanang building trust and building honest open relationships
Yeah.
to business partners to kapwa agents
Mm-hmm.
natin and then kana pod most especially to clients kay if we do not build relationship with our agents how much more sa clients and
Mm-hmm.
vice versa pod sa clients to our business partner so,
Mm. And
thank you
mausad na ang nice na foundation and culture sa X Factor because we have a culture of camaraderie.
yeah
Right? So, because of that, suod kay mga tao,
mm,
kanang happy lang because dapat happy-happy naman good ta sa life,
yes
diba? Mm-hmm.
thankful pod sa ato si ni Boss Mark atong TL nga kalma kaayo
Ay,
pero
oo.
grabe sad kaayo lahi ra gyud ang impact ni Boss Mark mga boss and then also sa UMs
What's your advice to the people watching this video?
to the people watching around the world to be present siguro to be in the now like karon ba like present like not just physically present but also um let's say emotionally present like if your clients have problems with the let's say the condo unit you really need to have the empathy and sympathy towards your clients pod and then in the future, if you will be like, if you're planning to be a leader siguro or servant leader, boss, like you need to set an example on how to do things. So ing ana lang, that's why I always say yes to events nga sa makaya lang gid sa schedule
Mhm.
nga kana, because di na ba ni mabalik karong kaning adlaw December unsad karon, dili na ni siya
Yes.
mabalik. So we need to grab opportunities as much as we say this to the clients. Ma'am, grab this opportunity samtang
Mm.
barato pa. In
Mm.
5 years, the price will double or unsa. So we need to apply what we are saying to clients po, like not just grabbing the opportunity, oy mapait yung kag kondo,
Oh.
but you grab the opportunity in your relationships,
Mhm.
because seldom nga what kay ba agent pa karon but next year may UM na ka.
Mhm.
So how do you experience giunsa man ni, let's say ni Boss Rose Ann or ni Boss LD pagdala nako sa una. So how do I deal with this kay the only way in real estate is up gyud mga boss, no? So the only way is up gyud. And then there's no going down here. There are a lot of setbacks, but
Mhm.
you know, every rejection is a redirection gyud. So kana lang sa be present, be in the now, and then as much as possible, if kaya lang gyud sa schedule, if kaya sa time, kana say yes, be a yes person, especially that we own our time ba, we can manage our time in the business. So and then take that opportunity and learn from that experience.
Wow. Thank you so much, Boss Jake, for this amazing interview. Thank you so much for this amazing session. And thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, your knowledge, wow, expertise. It's truly an honor to have hosted you this afternoon. And I hope that you can inspire a lot of people. I hope you can be inspired and be
Yep.
motivated. What I really learned about this conversation is to cherish the now. NAW. Because yay, tig-orient sa now. New
New
Agents
agents
Webinar.
webinar. Tuara.
Cherish the now. Be present sa now,
Be
bitaw.
present.
Kidding aside, cherish the present moment because dili na ni siya mobalik.
Yes.
Right? And our life is really short. No? So, thank you, boss. And I have learned so much from you today.
I'm even more grateful for this opportunity, of course, to Boss Rose and Team Guap, sindot kay inyong UM. Good, so, kana. Thank you, guys!
Thank you and thank you so much, boss. And I hope you can achieve your 1 billion goal for next year. Personal sales down ni Boss Jake. Thank you. Agente Serie.
Hey!